Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Riff of the Week. Glad to have you here. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. We're doing Riff of the Weeks every week. I'm basically teaching you how to play like me. I play like a modern metal slash progressive style, some djenty stuff if you like to use that word. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. We do a Riff Wednesday where I put out the riff, and then every Friday or Saturday, depending on how late I work that day, we're putting out a tutorial on exactly how to do it. So if you missed it, here's what we did this week. Alright guys, welcome back. So we're actually not going to be doing a tutorial for the rhythm part of this because I feel like you guys can do the chugging part. This riff of the week wasn't very technical, so really a lot of the djentier style stuff of this week's riff is just palm muting and open stuff. I'm really sure you guys could figure that out on yourselves just by listening to it and playing it back a couple times. But I am going to teach you the ambient part and the clean part in the beginning and throughout the whole song actually. So we're starting off on the 17th fret of the 3rd string. Next fret is this 15th fret of the 2nd string, and then the 19th fret of the 1st string. We're just arpeggiating this chord. We're starting on the 3rd string and going all the way up to the 1st string, and then back up. So we do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you slide up from the 19th on the 1st fret to the 20th on the 1st fret. And that's when we change the picking from skipping from the bottom to the 3rd to hitting the 2nd on the way back up. So it starts off like this. Slide, and then grab the 2nd, and then 3rd, and then grab the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Again. Then we're going to slide up on the 3rd to the 17th to the 19th. Grab the 17th on the 2nd. Slide all the way down to the 12th on the 2nd. Then slide back up. Grab the 3rd, 19th. Then you're going to grab the 19th, if you could see, under here on the 1st string. So we have slide up from that 19th on the 1st fret to the 20th on the 1st fret. Slide up from the 20th to the 22nd. And then we're going to repeat from the beginning. So let's play it all the way through, slow. Alright guys, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this week. Let me know what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys in the next video.